Explaining a simple equations of this form, at any time you are to solve equations of a minus tell number 1/2 is equal to tell number 1/2 minus 2/5a. Now, in solving this, you try to make it an improper fraction, which we have 21/2 is equal to 21/2 minus 2/5a. In making it proper, there is something we call collect like terms. Collect like terms. In collecting the like terms, you try to select the one that have a, that is variable, and the one that is constant. So we have a, the minus a, this minus carried, it affects 2/5a. So from that place, you bring it down here, it becomes plus 2/5a is equal to 21/2 plus 21/2. So what are you now going to do next? From the left side, let's try to find the LCM to be 5. This is over 1. 1 to divide 5 give us 5 to be 5a plus 2a is equal to, so by looking for the LCM here also, it gives us the same thing, which is 21 plus 21. So we have 7a over 5 is equal to 42/2. So we just try to, this can also be giving us 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 1/1. So we still have to continue to have 7a over 5 is equal to 21/1. So we try to do something to say we cross multiply. We cross multiply the value. So we have 7a times 1 is equal to 21 times 5. So, but we can still record that 21 is 3 times 7. So let's try to rewrite. We have 7a is equal to 3 times 7 times 5. So we try to make 7 as a subject of the formula. We try to divide it. So we have a is equal to the 7. We cancel this. It will remain 3 times 5, which is equal to 15. So this is our first example in the equation, a simple equation. Let's have another meaningful example, which says that one whole number 1/2 b minus 4 whole number 1/2 is equal to 1 whole number 1/2 plus 3/4b. So we did the same thing. We try to make it an improper fraction, which will have 3/2b minus, that is a 9/2. It will give you 3/2 plus 3/4b. So we do the same thing. Let's collect the like terms. The like terms. In collecting the like terms, the one I have b, 3/2b minus 3/4b will give you 3/2 plus 9/2. So, in view of this, the first one, let's find the LCM to be 4. 2 in 4, we have 2. So, we have 2 in 4, we have a 6b minus 3b, which give us. So, the LCM here also will give you 2 in 2, we have 1, 3 plus 9. So we still continue to have 3b over 4. By the time we subtract 3 minus 6, we have a 12 over 2. So in view of that, here 1, here 6. So we still continue to have 3b over 4 is equal to 6 over 1. We can still continue to have 3b is equal to 4 times 6. So remember that 3b can be written as 4 times 2 times 3. So let's make b as a subject of the formula. It will cancel. So the b will give us, this will cancel this, will give us 8. So that is, so let's try to do the last example, which you make it to get it normal for you to understand a simple equation. Let's have an example 3 to have a 3 plus 2y minus 24 is equal to 14 minus 3y. So what exactly we need from this angle, it is collecting the like terms, which is we have before the like, yes, we have 2y minus 24 plus 3 is equal to 14 minus 3y. So we have a 2y minus 21 is equal to 14 minus 3y. So this is at this junction, we try to collect the like terms. So we have 2y plus 3y is equal to 14 plus 21. So we have 5y is equal to, this is a 35. So we try to make y as a subject to the formula by dividing the both sides by 5. So we have y, this is here 1, 7. Y is equal to 7. So that will be the value. So I want you to do this as class work. So do this as class work to know maybe you are really getting what you are trying to do. Solve the following equation. So we have the first one is 12 minus 3a minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 5a. That is number 1. Number 2, we have 2a plus 20 is equal to 5a plus 6. Number 3, we have a 2x plus 19 minus 5x is equal to x minus 5. So I want you to solve this and send it to me in my WhatsApp group or in the comment section, anywhere you come across this video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.